Hey guys, it's me, HelloCris, and today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious 5-minute mini cheesecake. For this recipe, you'll need 60 milliliters of whipping cream, 50 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 150 grams of cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon of flour. The first thing we'll do is add on our bowl our cream cheese, sugar, whipping cream, and our egg. I recommend that you use cold whipping cream for this recipe. You'll see why in a second. We'll mix our ingredients very well. Mix, mix, mix. And then we'll add our tablespoon of flour and mix again. Just like my last video, this one is also about mixing. Now, why did I say that it's better if your whipping cream is cold? Well, as you can see, my kitchen setup has changed quite a bit. This kitchen is way warmer than it should, and my whipping cream is heating up. This means that it won't whip as well as it should. See how it's all, like, liquidy? It should be fluffy and puffed. Still, the cake turns out delicious either way. It just won't be so fluffy. Once we're done mixing, we'll put our batter in our mold and into the preheated oven at 240 Celsius or 464 Fahrenheit for around 13 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Let it cool down and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye!